Hello boys and girls and helicopters, Vnuk here. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to mine Bitcoin 5000 as long as any other coin, fast and painless using MiningRigRentals. I'm a Bitcoin and Bitcoin 5000 enthusiast, but this guide is for mining any existing coin. One size fits all. MiningRigRentals is the place where you can rent mining equipment from all around the world. All the links gonna be down in the description. After you register and confirm your registration, you'll need to deposit into your account. To do that, go to your balance. They accept Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Dash. Select the one you want to deposit. Click on it. Here's the BTC deposit address. Go ahead and feed it with some Bitcoins. You don't send any other coins to Bitcoin address or else you will lose it. The next step. Click onto your account name and select Pool Profiles. Create a new profile. I'm showing you the example for the Bitcoin 5K. If you need other coins, use different settings. So, choose any name for your profile, select the algorithm SHA-256 and save it. Next, add a new pool and input this. Information is in description. Use your Bitcoin 5K BVK address instead of mine. You can still use mine, but I doubt you'll do. Then click Save. Select pool you've just created and click Add to Profile. You can add more than one pool in case one of them stopped working. Next, go to the rigs and select SHA-256 rigs. This is the list for available mining rigs for rent. Filter from cheapest to expensive. That's the price. That's the hash rate. Hash rate is the performance. The higher the hash rate means more expensive rent per hour, and therefore more performance, more coins mined per day. Also consider the RPI value. The higher is better. Just pick something above 85. Mining difficulty. Every coin has different mining difficulty, and some rentals ask for high difficulty. If so, it's stated in the name column, like here. Requested difficulty is above 1 million. Click the link down in the description to check our current Bitcoin 5000 difficulty. Now it is 65k, really small. You can mine a whole lot of them easily. So, after you pick the rig with a good price and RPI, click a Rent Now button. See, there's a hash rate, difficulty, and minimum and maximum hours available for rent. You can always rent more than one rig, or rent the same again. Here you input hours you want to rent. It shows you how much it will cost, or just input the amount you want to pay. Then click Rent Now. Then, in a pool settings, select your profile and apply it, and then click Instant Pay Now. There you go. When Bitcoin 5K mined, they'll be transferred to your address. Can pass some time, up to a few days. That's it. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my channel, Vnuk. Also consider buying BVK from exchange market. It is pretty cheap now. Sayonara. For the Bitcoin 5000, you're gonna be needing Bitcoin. You're gonna be needing SHA-256.